PlantSkirt. The PlantSkirt has been designed to be used in greenhouses with large pots up to a diameter of 700 millimeters. The fabric can be pulled to the top and the drawstring pulled around the plant. The PlantSkirt can fit a tray size of 80 centimeters square or 100 centimeters square. There are two options, either the 80 centimeter draw cord or a 1 meter draw cord. For irrigation, an aquavalve and aquavalve cover, a root control sock designed for the aquavalve, and a plate can be used in the corner to great success. No algae, debris or light can penetrate due to the design of the cover, and also it reduces heat around the roots.